Guten Tag. That's hi in German. So this video we're going to review adding and subtracting integers. So you remember integers are positive or negative whole numbers. And I've drawn a vertical number line there for you, but remember you don't need to write the plus there. So plus 5 would just equal 5. And if it helps you to do these questions, draw a number line. Create a bookmark. Keep it in your textbook. So 5 take away 7. We start at the number 5 and we subtract 7. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We end up at negative 2. That's nice and straightforward. Sometimes you get questions like this, 5 plus negative 9 in brackets. So we don't need that bracket there. The only thing it's doing is saying this is a negative 9. And you've got to remember these rules. Now Mr. Wheel talks about his ninjas. Here's a positive, 2 positives, make a positive. This is how I do it. 2 negatives, also make a positive, because they're both the same, they agree. But if you have symbols that are different, the result is a negative. So I've got 2 symbols here that are the same, they're different. So it becomes 5 take away 9. So if I look at my number line, I'm on the number 5, I'm going to take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we end up at negative 4. We'll have a look at another couple of questions. The next question we're going to do up to question 3. 7 take away negative 4. As I said, you don't need the brackets around the number. Sometimes it helps. 7 take away a negative 4. 7 plus a 4 equals 11. Now if these rules are stumping you, go back, have a look in your textbook, have a look at last year's work when you would have had an explanation as to why. We're just reviewing. So what happens if I have 6 plus a negative 2 minus, let's go, a negative 5? Ooh, so we have to do things separately. So I go 6 plus negative 2 minus a negative 5. I'm just getting rid of those brackets. So a plus and a negative make a negative, and 2 negatives make a positive. And it's really important. Order of operations. People learn this bod maths. People know my opinion on bod maths. But the important thing is you've always got to work left to right. So we're going to do this bit first. So 6 take away 2 is 4. And 4 plus 5 is 9. Hope this helps. You've got to be really, really careful with negatives. That's where they mess most people up. And just as soon as you see a negative, you've got to be really careful with them because they can be tricky. But I know you can do it.